Yeah, this is the second part of the number reversal program. So in my previous video you might have seen that this number is used to validate whether a given number is palindrome or not. So after verifying it, that we used to verify with different numbers. So we got, when we entered 3434343434, we got input mismatch exception. So this is actually an exception that occurred during this program. So So this is nothing but entire concept of this exceptional handling. So now we will be looking at how we can handle the exception in our program. So basically this is our program. The entire program is put into the try block. Catch. Here we have got one exception. Input mismatch exception. Just copy paste that exception or whatever it may be. Just create one instance. That's it. So here we are getting error as import this thing. We have to import this statement too. And yeah. Some messed up code. So whenever we get exception, we have to print the following message saying that so and so. So assume that we can put this, we can close this scanner object here. So whatever the code that we place inside the finally will always get executed. That means here in the above program, even if the exception occurs or not, it doesn't matter to us. Even though if the exception doesn't happen, this finally block code inside that, whatever it might be inside, it will always get executed. To test a sample kind of thing, let's finally block is always executed. So here 343. Yes, here we can see that finally block is there. We have got a message called finally block is always executed. Suppose if we input the same number again, 34343434. See here now we are not getting that stack trace and all those things. We are just getting sorry you have entered a wrong number or string. Please enter correct number. So this is the expected way that we can handle this type of situations. So even though not only it be a number, say it as a string, okay? Psi. See, even though we are getting this, we are entering string or whatever it might be, we are getting this exception. So this is a safe way in which we can terminate our program at the best possible way. So even we can uncomment this thing. 343. Yes, we are getting this thing. Yeah, and now we are getting only this message. Since we have uncommented this thing, we have commented this thing, this line. So this is about the concept about this exception handling in Java regarding this program. Along with this, we have several kind of exceptions. One such thing is checked exceptions. Unchecked exceptions. Errors. These checked exceptions are the nothing but the exceptions that occur at compile time. These exceptions occur at compile time. These are runtime. These out of our hand. We can't control them. The only thing is that we can adopt best programming practices. That's it. One of the example of this errors is nothing but buffer overflow, where we have a integer or where we have an array of a restricted length buffer, and we input the characters or the numbers, and if we exceed them, then we get buffer overflow. So these type of the typical examples are nothing but errors. So that's all in this program.